I want to start off by giving you a round of applause for being a part of your new family, Beaufort County School District. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Welcoming new teachers to Beaufort County, more than 200 new employees are attending a curriculum workshop at Bluffton High School.
Talk to your peers, collaborate with your peers, share what's working, what's not working.
The two-day training focuses on introducing the educators to district resources to help them be successful in their classrooms.
Our goal for this year is to make sure that we can provide the ultimate support, ongoing support through professional development, not only at the beginning of the school, but throughout the school year so that teachers are successful.
The teachers say they can't wait to begin their first school year here.
I'm really excited about starting my first year here in Beaufort County. I can't wait to meet my children. I'm looking forward to having them love reading as much as I enjoy it and getting to touch a child's future.
Well, I think the most important thing is getting to know the students and the staff and building relationships, and from there starting to build a program that reflects the district curriculum and reflects a little bit about who I am and who the students and the staff are.
The teachers also boarded buses, taking a field trip to the Penn Center on St. Helena Island to learn more about the history of the area.
The thing that I enjoyed most about this tour was reconnecting with the roots of the people from the Sea Islands. Being from Charleston, I'm very familiar with the history, but coming out to the Penn Center gave me really an opportunity to feel like I was able to touch a part of history.
The energy and excitement and enthusiasm that is growing here for recognizing the Gullah culture, and I'm really excited about how I might fit in and what I might have to offer.
The first day of school is August 20th. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.